Kayisi's Crazy Kitchen.
Our special mason jar. This is Nate. He's been saving up since he was a little kid to buy this because there's going to be some decent salad dressing jumping out of this.
We're gonna go fine dice on the garlic and fine dice on some red onion.
So as you can see, we have finely diced the garlic. You want it nice and fine. It's probably still too chunky, but this is about where I'm gonna leave it because my arms are tired. I mean, like I just gotta keep cutting and cutting and cutting. Oh, garlic. Here we go.
We're gonna do a little onion, just about as much onion.
Ooh, we're gonna do some onion. I don't know how you're feeling. I'm thinking maybe 2 slivers, maybe 1. You think?
Yeah,
that's enough.
That's plenty.
All right. Again, I feel like I'm somewhere in there. You could nitpick all day and crush this until you're blue in the face, but I think we have decent consistency right there, and that's all we want. You notice how we have our chopped garlic? Now we're gonna go some chopped onion. And then
we're gonna go equal parts vinegar, both the vinegars.
You wanna get the measuring cup? Like,
we got someone here. I don't know we're expecting guests on the show tonight.
Alright. Watch me get all abrasive. Watch this. Ah,
this guy's interrupting.
This
oh man. Of
this
course.
Guy. Really?
He knew he'd be filming. He could smell the food.
Is that what it was? You smelled the food from down. What's up? We're going with a little balsamic vinegar. And basically what I'm gonna do is just keep pouring until he tells me to stop. Watch this. I'm just pouring.
That's about the weakest part I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's garbage.
Hi.
And then we're gonna add. What do we want to go? Some rice vinegar. And what are we looking at here? I would go
the same.
Somewhere there. You know what I mean? Yep. I don't want it to overpower it.
And then the same amount of the vinegar. I mean, sorry, the olive oil. See, I've been all thrown off now that we got thrown on our stride here.
What kind of director are you?
Well, I'm the opposite director. Like, can we just do opposite day for once?
Somewhere in there.
And then about twice as much as the avocado oil.
Really?
Yes.
If you say so, I'm trusting you.
That's good.
Yeah. Honey, equal parts? Let's
do
a
good amount.
We can do. The pepper. Salt and pepper's here.
It's good.
It's not good till I say it's good. And now we're gonna go some Himalayan salt, yeah? Just a little. I think that's it. Boom. And then we put the lid on and we shake this shit up. We like it just the way it is. All right. That looks like the good stuff. If you don't want to put some of that on your salad, there's something wrong with you. Oh. I mean, I wish there was shrimp in the salad. Like, we should have added some shrimp because that would have been perfect right there.
And that's a bonus for tonight because we weren't planning on doing that. And you need to tuck pull your shirt up again. We all know why.
You guys see my third nipple?
There you go, looks good.
Sorry, bro.
You're not wearing shoes today?
Well, I left them in the jail where I just came from. Yeah, see? Where have you been? You just come knocking on doors, like knock, knock, knock.
Physical education. PE!
Are you sure you want to film this? Because I'm about to light him up like it's Christmas. What's up, dude?
What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Get off of me. Don't touch me.
Kayisi's Crazy Kitchen.